Brothers and sisters in Christ, we have before you a Skit name chosen by God. Do you think you are chosen by God? Do you think God has created you for a purpose in life? The Skit might help you find an answer to this. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Michelle. She would ask herself the same question. While she was in school, like all young girls, Michelle wanted to enjoy school and have fun with her friends. She longed to be a part of the class and play along with them too. But she quite fit in with her classmates and ended up being hurt, rejected and ridiculed by the people around her.
Okay, listen everyone. Me and Samantha are going to choose teammates for playing throw ball. Everyone okay? Okay. You, come here. You. You. You, come in. You, come here. You, come. You come here. You come here. You. And you come here. You come.
Oh, Michelle. Jess, you take her in your team, okay?
No ya Samantha, you take her.
No. I don't want Michelle in my team. I have enough. You take her, no?
No ya, I don't want to take her. You know what? I have a better chance of winning this game without her. She doesn't even know how to catch a ball.
Seriously.
You know what? Let's just continue playing. Forget about her.
Okay, fine.
Hey, you get the ball at least? Can't you get
Please
it
give
faster?
me one chance. No, I'll catch the ball. I can do it.
I
Please.
don't want you. I don't want
Please.
you. You're such a slow coach. You know what? You're a bad luck. Nobody has chosen you. Just get away from here. Okay guys, let's go out.
This isn't working out, God. It hurts me. They all hurt me. How can they do this to me? Why do they push me so far? What have I done? Help me, God. Help me. It's not my mistake that I'm like this. Nobody chose me, nobody chooses me, and nobody will ever choose me.
Michelle, this is not right, huh? They all hurt you. You've seen how they all rejected you. It's not your fault that you're so small amongst them. You know what? I feel God created you in the wrong way. It's His fault, right? You know what I think? Nobody wants you. Think about it. Nobody chose you. Nobody chooses you. And nobody will ever choose you.
Yes, I think you're right. Nobody chose me, nobody chooses me, and nobody will ever choose me.
I chose you.
Who, me?
Yes, I choose you.
Who are you?
I am God.
Stop joking around. This isn't funny.
I am not joking. I am God.
Then prove it.
Remember the times. Remember the times you fell off the stage. And the times you fell sick. You ate 10 chocolates one day. Your mom hadn't told you not to eat, right?
Okay, you have got all that right. But why did you say that you chose me? Sorry to say, God, I'm not even chosen for anything in my life.
Michelle, you did not choose me, but I chose you and appointed you. I have great plans for you, plans for your future and not for your destruction, for a great hope.
What is that?
Michelle, I have given you the whole planet, the birds, the sky, the warmth of the sun. You have your own plan, you have your own talents too. I have gifted you with, you can fix problems, you can look into things clearly. I have given you the talent in music and love for animals. Then I have given you many things, but I haven't even told you about the best gift I have given you.
What is that?
I have gifted you my son, Jesus Christ. I love you so much that I gave my only son for you to die so that you might have life. Remember the things I have given you. Why would I give you so much things if I hadn't first chose you?
Yes. God, when I called you, you answered me. You were there with me in my difficult moments. It is you who gave me life, all the gifts, and without you, my life would be impossible.
Don't worry, Michelle. I am always with you. Satan, you have lost this soul, while in heaven there is party today. For this child who was lost has come back to our Father. You liar, you are always under the feet. You are where you belong.
Let's go, God. Let's get things right.
Come, Michelle, my child, let's go.
We should always give thanks to God for you, brothers and sisters, beloved by the Lord, because God has chosen you from the beginning for salvation through sanctification, by the Spirit and faith in the truth. We know that all things work together for God, for good for those who love God, who are called according to his purpose.